Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. How to take 20 kilograms of hand luggage on an Air Canada flight for free. Maximizing Air Canada's hand luggage allowance requires smart packing and staying updated with their policies. Join Aeroplan for potential baggage perks. Wear heavy items, utilize personal item allowances, and check promotions for special offers. Always review Air Canada's latest guidelines to avoid fees or boarding issues. Travel light and smart. Here are some strategies to consider. Check policy regularly. Airlines can change their baggage policies. Before traveling, always refer to Air Canada's official website for the latest hand luggage policy. Loyalty programs. Join Air Canada's loyalty program, Aeroplan. Higher tier members might enjoy increased baggage allowances on some routes or fare classes. Optimize packing. Pack only essentials. Use vacuum seal bags to compress clothing and create more space. Wear heavier items. Consider wearing some of your heavier clothing items like jackets or boots, which can help reduce the weight of your hand luggage. Utilize personal items. In addition to a carry-on bag, you're often allowed a personal item, like a laptop bag or purse. Use this space wisely but ensure it fits under the seat in front of you. Spread weight between travelers. If traveling with companions, distribute items between your hand luggage bags to ensure no single bag exceeds the weight limit. Consider priority or premium seating. Some premium seat bookings or priority boarding options might come with additional carry-on allowances. Weigh your bag beforehand. Ensure you're within the allowed limit by weighing your bag before reaching the airport. This can prevent any surprises at the gate. Engage with gate agents diplomatically. If your bag is slightly over the limit, approach the gate agents with understanding and politeness. They might be more willing to assist or offer solutions. Check promotions and offers. Occasionally, airlines run special promotions that allow increased baggage allowances. Look for these offers when booking. Again, it's important to note that intentionally attempting to bypass airline rules can result in additional fees or even denial of boarding. Always refer to the airline's official baggage policy and comply with their regulations. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.